台，幸福生活笑颜开。恭喜恭喜发大财，蒸蒸日上好买卖。心想事成多么精彩，生意兴隆通四海。每一天快乐相伴，吉星高照，六六大顺，八方来宝财源广进。恭喜恭喜发大财，红红火火好运来，万象更新，民爱国台，幸福生活笑颜开。
Cherry blossom. Let's get started. First, we'll need a few colors of paint: brown, white, blue and white, peach and red. So let's get started. First, you'll need a brush. Then you will need to mix the blue and white together and draw a vase. Start right here. You draw it like that. You can outline it first, but I would like to just draw it. Draw a huge vase like this. Huge vase. Need some paint? It's a vase. It's a vase. Okay, since now we have got our vase, you can either paint it inside or you can just leave it. But then I would like to paint it inside so that it looks pretty. Just take our big graph and just paint it like that. Add a little bit more color. Okay, now we have done our vase. We need to paint the branches. So there's a tiny bit of brown and draw. Like that. Here. And a few there, like that. Some here. And a few more long branches. That. That. Okay, now we have done our branches. We need to start with our cherry blossom. That's where the fun comes in. Let's mix our cherry blossom. To make pink, we need to mix peach or red or white and red. But I like peach and red because it makes a really nice in color. Dab a bit with our cotton buds with a tip of white like that, like this, and start doing. So now you just need to fill it up everywhere. Then after it dries, we will need to add the white on top to make it like real, like 3D. Look how real is it now? It's almost like real cherry blossom tree. Some paint. Here. Down here. Okay, now we have our cherry blossom. We'll need to dip a few white so that it has the color. Just only a few added on so that it will look just like it. Because if you see, real cherry blossom trees has white and a few different colors of pink, but I'm just going for one color and white. Oh, white is finished. I need to add some. Okay guys, let's see for the ending. Ta-da! As you can see, it's very pretty and it looks exactly like a cherry blossom tree. Hope you guys do this art project at home. It's really simple and easy. And once again, happy Chinese New Year. Bye!